Wave.
So this week we did something really fun. We took all the kids to the top of a series of 3 volcanoes to sit on top of the biggest one in the middle. Are you gonna come join me? Come here, Bear. Hi, Bear. Can you say cheese?
Cheese.
Cheese. What did you think of going on top of the volcano?
Yes.
Yes. Did you like it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it was really fun, huh? What did we have on the top of the volcano?
Bacon.
We sat on the big one, but what did we drink? Did we drink something yummy? We did. I surprised the kids with a thermos of hot chocolate that actually stayed warm during our 30-degree hike to the top of the volcano. Say, hot chocolate!
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate!
Chocolate.
We had hot chocolate.